Hi everybody, we're going to work on lesson 8-7 today. 8-7 is going to be multiplying binomials again. And all of our problems are going to have two binomials, both with subtraction in them. So here's what I mean. We'll just start with example 1. Just pause the video if you didn't have time to write everything down on the top here. Okay, number 1, x minus 2 times x minus 4. So we have two binomials. Remember, a binomial has two terms, like a bicycle has two wheels. So x and negative 2 are our two terms, and then x and negative 4 are our two terms for the second binomial. So if you recall last week, what we start by doing is making a box, cutting the box into 4, and now we're going to set up this box so that we're like a multiplication table. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the binomial, the first binomial on the top. So it's x, the first term is x, the second term is negative 2. The first term of the second binomial is x, and the second term is a negative 4. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply to fill in the box. So x times x is x squared. And x times negative 2 is negative 2x. I got so excited about it and it didn't come out. Negative 2x. Now we go down to the bottom. It's going to be negative 4 times x. So negative 4x. And lastly, negative 4 times negative 2, which is a positive 8. Okay, so now the next step is to take everything out of the box. We fill in the box and we take it out. So it's x squared, and then minus 2x, then minus 4x. Now this 8 here is a positive, right? There's no negative there, so we're going to write plus 8. You could even put a little plus in there if you want. Okay, from there, we're going to combine like terms. So we have x squared can come down, and then we have negative 2x and negative 4x. Well, negative 2 minus 4, or negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6x. Okay, 2x minus negative 2x minus 4x is negative 6x. Plus 8, bring the 8 down. Box it, and you're done. Okay, let's try another one. Number 2. It's x minus 7, and then x minus 3. So stop and copy that down if you didn't get it yet. All right, let's make a nice big box. Break it into 4. On the top, we're going to put the first binomial. First term is x, second term is negative 7. On the left side, we're going to put the second binomial, x, and then a negative 3. Okay, the second term of the second binomial is a negative 3. Now we have to do our multiplication to fill in this box. So we do x times x, which is x squared. We do x times negative 7, which is negative 7x. We do negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Then we'll do negative 3 times negative 7, which is a positive 21. All right, from there, we're going to take everything out of the box. So we have x squared minus 7x minus 3x plus 21. We combine like terms, bring down the x squared. Negative 7x minus 3x is negative 10. Just a sec. Negative 10x, and then plus 21. And that's the answer. Oh, I forgot my little squared here. Anytime you have x times x, it's x squared. So that was my little mistake. Okay, we're going to try number 3. Watch this. Magic. Okay, took me long enough, right? Okay, so let's do number 3. We only have 4, so we're in the home stretch here. Together, anyway. Number 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Make your box. Cut it in 4. Put the first binomial on the top. So x minus 4, or negative 4 is the second term there. And then on the left, we're going to have x is our first term and negative 5 is our second term. Now we're going to multiply to fill in the box. So we do x times x, which is x squared. X times negative 4, that is negative 4x. Now negative 5 times x here on the bottom is negative 5x. And then here we're going to have negative 5 times negative 4. Or if you rather, negative 4 times negative 5. That is going to be, well, let's see. Negative times negative is positive. I'm even going to write a little positive in there. And 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, now we have to take everything out of the box. We fill it in, we take it out. So it's x squared minus 4x minus 5x plus 20. Okay, we're going to combine like terms. So we have those two that are going to be the same. We're going to bring down the x squared. We're going to combine the negative 4x and negative 5x, which is negative 9x. And then we're going to add the 20. We're going to box our answer. And we're going to move on to the last question. Again, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video and do as much as you can at a time. Keep pausing it. Okay, so let's see. Back to that color. Number 4. Okay, number 4 is x minus 8 and then x minus 10. All right, make your big box. Okay, cut the box in 4. We have an x and a negative 8 on the top. We have an x and a negative 10 on the left side. Okay, so we have to fill in the box by multiplying. So it's x times x is x squared. X times negative 8 is negative 8x. Negative 10 times x is negative 10x. Negative times a negative is a positive, and 10 times 8 is 80. Now we're going to bring everything out of the box. Let me just put a positive there because that makes it easier to write it all down. So now we have x squared coming out of the box minus 8x minus 10x plus 80. Combine like terms. Okay, we're going to bring down the x squared. We're going to combine the 8x, negative 8x and negative 10x. Negative 8x and negative 10x give you a negative 18x. And then lastly, we bring down the 80. Oh, I forgot that squared again. Okay. All right, we're going to box this. And that's all the notes for today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some practice problems up for you. If you need to go back and watch the video again or watch another example, just rewind and go back. Okay, so here are your 4 examples to try on your own. You're going to make a box, multiply into the box, take everything out of the box, combine like terms, and you'll have your answer. Okay, hit pause, work on these, and when you come back, you'll have some answers up. You can check your answer.